Hi everybody, I'm John Pomeroy and I'm going head to head in a ChatGPT challenge. I'm going to be creating a series of 4 different characters, a male lead hero character, a leading lady character, a funny sidekick, and an evil villain character. Now this is for kind of a make-believe animated feature film, but it'll be fun just doing this as a challenge. And AI has become kind of a hot topic right now, and it's like there are a lot of pros and cons, but you know, for me, I think this could be a technology that can help production if it's used wisely. And by wisely, I mean that it's used as a tool and not as a crutch. It's so easy to get carried away with new technologies and suddenly you're leaning on that and your own ability to create gets atrophied and basically just kind of withers. But the essence of a particular project or story or movie is generated by the creativity of human beings, human intellects, and real artists. But before we get started, if you want to see more of our content that we have to that we would like to share with you, hit the subscribe button so it really helps our channel grow. So let's get started. So in my animation career, I've animated quite a few leading human male characters, 2 of which were Captain John Smith in Disney's animated feature Pocahontas, and the second one was one of my favorites, Milo Thatch in Disney's Atlantis: The Lost Empire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my version of a character. I've got an idea for like a fairy prince character, late teens, early 20s, and I'll do my version and then ask ChatGPT to do their version and see how they line up and see which is the better solution to this particular design scenario. So let's get started. So here's my leading man character, kind of the prince of this crystal fairy kingdom. And I'm going to add some color, and then we'll go to ChatGPT and see what their version is like. Design a 2D animated character of a fairy prince in his late teens, early 20s. I mean, I got to say that the thing that was generated by ChatGPT is a little on the uninspired generic size. I think mine has a little more unique quality to it. I mean, it's got some elements in it that have spark of a little more unique energy, personality, something that I haven't seen before. Now, I know who in my heart who won this round, but let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. So now I'm going to do my version of maybe a leading princess lady, could be the girlfriend of the fairy prince that I just did previously. So I've had some experience, you know, working on leading women characters like in the iconic 80s game Dragon's Lair. I did a lot of the scenes with Princess Daphne. So let's get started. So there's my leading lady, a little fairy princess character with wings. And let's go to ChatGPT and see what their version looks like. Design a fairy princess character for our fairy prince. say this is not looking too bad. It's a little bit better than the fairy prince that it did before, but it's still got a generic feel to it. I mean, the hairstyle, the dress, it's nice, but it doesn't have any unique quality to it yet. I think, I don't know. I got a feeling about mine and ready to hear your comments on it. So it's time to move on to our comedic sidekick character, and I've got some ideas on that, and this will be like in the genre of like Mushu is one of my favorites from Mulan, and also Olaf from the Disney animated feature Frozen. So it'll be in that genre, so let's get started. So here's my rock guy, and you know, I've had some practice with this in the past. You know, I did the Firebird creature that was born out of lava in Firebird Suite in Fantasia 2000. So this is doing this kind of creature creation is no stranger to me. So let's see what ChatGPT has come up with. Okay, so now create a comic sidekick character for this animated feature. This character is an enchanted pile of rocks and pebbles that walks around on two legs. All right, I gotta say, ChatGPT, good effort, man, but you really missed the mark on this one. I'm sorry. I guess maybe given more information, or if it had more input or whatever, they can come up with something a little bit better, but I'm sorry, that one is just a little bit too generic for my taste. I think I won the round on that time. So let's hear your comments. Let's see what you've got to say about this particular head-to-head. So now for our final character, and this is what we've been leading to this whole time, is our villain element. So I've got a character in mind, sleek, proud, powerful character. I've animated characters like this before too. Jenner the rat in Secret of Nim was very much like this. Conniving, Machiavellian type of character. So let's get started. So here's my villain character. So let's take a look at ChatGPT and see what it can do. Create a sleek, proud, powerful villain character for this animated feature. He is not a fairy, but very dark and mysterious. I'm actually impressed with Chat. I think they did a pretty good job on this one. I mean, it's better than the rock sidekick that they did before. So I think this it has some merit. I still like mine better because of the personality factor. There are some generic things that they relied on here, but I think mine has got a little bit higher level of personality. I'll leave it to you. You vote and let me know what your comments are. It's been great drawing for you guys, and I look forward to drawing for you again sometime. Take care, and bye-bye.